The most important financial lesson that I believe that everyone should learn is never get into something that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it may be. Alam mo, ang problema kasi, minsan nag-excite tayo, yung parang naengganyo tayo na sumali at let's say, pasukan ng mga negosyo na kinikita ng ibang tao na hindi natin naunawaan. So ano pong ending? Imbis na kumita tayo, nalulugi po tayo. Kaya nga, ang unang talagang financial lesson na naunawaan ko is wag na wag niyong papasukan yan. Pangalawa, ang financial lesson that I can leave you is never spend more than what you can really make. Alam mo, very simple lang naman ang pagkakakitaan eh. Mas malaki dapat ang kita kaysa gastos. Common sense, di ba? Pero minsan ang common sense hindi na nagiging common. Bakit po? Imbis na, syempre, na-manage natin ang finance, ang pera ang nagmamanage po sa atin. Kaya nga, if you only follow these two rules, it can help you to save a lot of money. Number one, never get into something that you do not understand. Number two, never spend more than what you can afford.